Show Pops your skills. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh yeah. You gotta tell Pops that you love the clubs. Tell him. Yeah, do it again. Mulligan? Okay. Do it again. Oh, hug for Daddy. Oh, thank you, buddy. Where's the golf ball? Where's the ball? Go get it. Oh, yep, that's the ball. Alright, show Pops how to do it. Oh, okay, that's not how you do it.